I just thought I saw a ghost and I realized it was me. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be reviewing I just want to let you know right now, it is not the whole entire collection. The whole entire collection was $300. Girl, $300. I don't think so. Me, personally, okay, $200 for a bunch of shit. Alright, cool. You know, that's reasonable, that's okay, but $300? Are you kidding me? Fortunately, I did get the Chill Baby palette before it sold out, and also this 4-piece lip set. I got these two, and it said that the Snow Angel highlight was sold out, so I couldn't get it. So I bought these two, and as soon as I bought these two, I went and double checked to see if the highlighter was like actually sold out, because it wouldn't let me buy it, and it wasn't sold out. So I had to order it separately, and I've been waiting for maybe a week, maybe more, for this to come in. And it's still, because of the fires around here, which there are no fires anymore. I live in California, by the way. But it says because of the fires, USPS cannot come over here to my area. And I'm like, what? There are no fires anymore. 0 fires. So I'm confused. Also, really quick, I wanted to mention, and I might mention this in every single video until I move. If you have seen in my last videos, I mentioned that I moved my little makeup / filming area downstairs because my son is now in an actual bed. So I didn't want my makeup stuff and my filming stuff to be up there. So I had to move it downstairs, and now he's down here and he's watching his movies. So just gonna have to deal with that. So I'm sorry if you hear some TV going on in the back. I'm sorry if you hear the cats eating. I'm sorry if you hear all these little weird ass noises, but it's just, bear with me please, bear with me. So I just looked it up, and the Chill Baby palette is $44 USD, and it is sold out. I'm sure she's gonna bring it back in stock. I'm pretty positive. So the bundle, the 4-piece bundle, is $42, and the highlight is $20, but I don't have it, and I'm so sad because she has a new formula. I wanted to try it out and review it for you guys, but I guess not. I wanted to make this video strictly about the review, so I went ahead and did my base and brows. I baked all that good shit. This is the little packaging it comes in. I'm gonna take it out. Oh, this way. Oh my god. It is so pretty. I love the baby blue. It's got sparkles. Look at how stunning. These colors are giving me life. But I have not swatched them yet. Before we do the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the top row on my wrist, and we'll see how they swatch. So this is what we have. Let me just try to get that in there. This is difficult. I really fucking hope that wasn't blurry. Let me just say, I had to swatch these multiple times. This is not just one swatch. This one right here was very, very chalky, which is weird because this wasn't like that. So I don't know what the bottom row is gonna look like, but this one, it seems like a topper. Doesn't really seem like it should be just a lid shade by itself. I don't know, it could be a good topper for that one. The rest of these ones all seem like they had the same formula, but I mean, they're pretty. Don't get me wrong. Oh, they are gorgeous. Let me just say that. But maybe it's just the swatches. Maybe it'll be better. Maybe it'll perform better on the eyes. So I'm gonna take that off, and I'm gonna swatch the bottom row. So I swatched the bottom row. This is it. Here she is. This is her in all of her glory. It's weird because these last two shades, this one felt really creamy and so smooth. Not creamy, but smooth, very smooth. And then this one is really, really dry. So it's weird. It seems like it has like a different formula. I'm gonna use these 4 colors right here. First, I'm gonna be going in with this color right here, Just Chill. I'm gonna pick up that shade and put that in my crease. So the pigment for that is really, really nice, and it's very pigmented. It's, there's a lot of fallout. I mean, there was more, but it's not like too bad. It's not like Subculture. I never owned that palette, but no. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, Make Magic. I'm gonna put that in my crease. I'm not gonna put that exactly where the purple is, just more in the crease. That one has the same amount of fallout, but it's totally not bad at all. Like, I've seen a lot worse. This is just typical fallout. Feel me? So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, Bundle Up. So I'm gonna put that shade on the outer corner. Just kind of lightly blending the outer edges. But this so far is looking really cute. I am gonna deepen up the outer corners with this shade Hello Winter. Right there, that dark purple shade. Just gonna kind of dab into that and tap it in the outer corner. So next I'm gonna put Mrs. Claus right there. So I'm gonna put that with my finger. I'm so sorry about my nails. I'm sure you noticed that and they look ratchet. But I mean, hey, I'm broke. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the lid. It's looking really good so far. I don't think that I'll need Fix Plus. I hope not. But we will see. You know what? I actually am going to try Fix Plus. I'm just gonna put that on my finger. I'm gonna apply that on my lid again. It's doing something weird, but honestly I'm not surprised. Most shadows, if I pack them on too much, they get a little chunky. I have to and they kind of stick on my lid, so I have to kind of go in with a brush and just take that off. So I'm gonna go in with this little brush and make a little bit of a liner kind of look with this purple shade. See how that goes. Smoky liner, that's what it's called. So, and oh my god, let me just say right now, if you ever see me slouching over, it's because if I sit up straight, bitch, I'm gonna be right here. So that's why I slouch down a lot, because my ring light is kind of doing some funky shit. So I gotta work with it. I'm gonna put this shade all over the lower lash line, and then I'm gonna put this shade on the outer corners. Okay, so I'm done with that, and I'm actually really liking the way it's looking right now. The application, I didn't have one single problem with it. It wasn't patchy. The only thing that I had a little situation with was like if I pack too much, it sticks on my lid and then I have to kind of like brush it out with a brush. It's just a problem that I have. I don't know if this happens to other people, but it happens to me. So I'm gonna go do the other eye. I'm not gonna put on eyeliner. I'm gonna put on mascara and some lashes, and I'll be back. These are my favorite lashes in the entire world. I don't think anybody really understands that. I'm gonna put this highlighter on. It's by Dose of Colors. This is the Fuego highlighter. Highlighter, highlighter, highlighter. Choosing to use a gold one. I think that would look really good. I think this is like the Snow Angel, similar to the Snow Angel highlight. Kylie, girl, please do all of your packaging like this. Christmas is my favorite time of year, and I think it's so cute. First, I'm gonna go with this shade. I'm gonna swatch this one on my lips. This one is called Snow Wave. Snow Wave. I hate myself. This is a very pretty color. It's really bright and like pink. I don't know if it's gonna be different if it dries down. I don't know if it's gonna be like darker or anything. The formula, it doesn't feel like there's really anything on my lips. If anything, it does kind of feel maybe a little bit like powdery. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it feels a bit dry. But I mean, it is a matte liquid lipstick, so I'm not like expecting anything different. Now I'm gonna try out this one. This is Dream On. This is really pretty, metallic. Oh my god. Oh, wow. It's giving me like Barbie vibes for sure. I definitely don't own anything like this. By the way, oh my god, where are my manners? This one is called Slay My Name. See what you did there. This is actually really pretty. I like this one a lot. This is very holiday. Very, very holiday vibes. It's giving me like Christmas tree ornament. I like it. Last but not least, we have this liquid lipstick, and this is in Better Not Pout. This is pretty. This is a matte liquid lipstick. This is cute. She is motherfucking cute. So this liquid lipstick is really pretty. Doesn't feel like there's really anything on my lips. It feels like a liquid lipstick should. Hey guys, so yes, I am in different makeup. I just wanted to throw it on because I finally got this in the mail today. So I wanted to be able to review the new formula. So this highlight, oh my god, the packaging is so beautiful. I'm so sorry if you can hear SpongeBob in the back. That's just, I can't control it. This packaging is really wow, really bougie. And that highlight, oh my god, that highlight is beautiful. So I want to make this quick, so I'm just gonna put it on my face and give my thoughts. So it's really smooth. Feels really nice, like very, very nice. And this is it swatched. It's like a peachy, rose gold actually, like a rose gold. So see how this. Oh my god, I am obsessed. Okay, this formula is incredible though, for real. Oh my god, that is blinding. I know that was like extremely quick. I wanted to make this really fast though. I have some shit to do, so I wanted to just throw it on and give my thoughts, but oh my god, it's blinding. It's not subtle, it's blinding. But the formula seems really, really nice. I like it a lot. Definitely recommend you try this one out, for sure. I don't know if I mentioned this, but this is the highlight in Snow Angel. I definitely like the palette. I think it's really pretty. I think a lot of people gave it shit and said, oh, it's another warm tone palette, but cool tone, cool tone, cool tone, cool tone. That's not warm. That's not warm. That's not really warm. This isn't warm. That's not warm. Like, that's warm and that's warm. And that's a little warm and this and that, but like, I think it's a little half and half. Like, if you just have a straight up cool tone palette, like, not everybody can use cool tones, you know, so you kind of got to think she's probably just trying to put some warm tones in there for the people who can't use cool tones. I think people need to shut the fuck up, and if they want it, they're gonna get it anyways, so just buy it. Stop fussing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, it means so much to me, and also like this video if you actually liked it. If you don't dislike it. I don't like that shit. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye. I gotta go charge my fucking camera, bitch. Why didn't I think of this before? It looks like I have a booger, but this is my piercing. It's not. Ow. There we go. These lights are making me question my existence. But let me just try. Is that good? Can you guys see that? Put a little pizzazz. No, just shut up, Cassie. Just fucking shut up. Oh, balls. This outside if I was just wearing. Whoa. Triggered. Slay my name, slay my name. Do I look white? Am I looking like James Charles? Girl, am I looking? Shut up. Am I looking really white? Oh my god, I'm gonna hang myself. Looks like I just got like lip fillers.